You possibly manage all your photos on Mac, using Photos app. It is a good place to organize, editing and sharing photos efficiently. If you have deleted some photos from the app by mistake and want to recover, don't worry. Here are several ways to recover. Photos app will keep the trashed photos in recently deleted folder for 30 days. If not exceeding, you can easily recover within Photos app. Open Photos app. Go to Recently Deleted. Select the photos you want to recover, and click Recover button. Now the deleted photos are back to your library in Photos app. Also you can check Time Machine or iCloud Backup, if you have enabled auto backup on your Mac. You just need to connect the Time Machine backup drive to your Mac, and restore. Or visit iCloud website with your account, download and import the copies to your Photos app again. Lastly, but the most important, we want to recommend using Cisdem Data Recovery to recover your photos from Photos app. What does Cisdem Data Recovery do for you? It helps recover deleted and lost data on your Mac, under different data loss situations, supports various file types, and from all kinds of storage devices. Now download the program to your Mac. Install it on your machine, here in Photos app. I've deleted this flower photo and removed it from the app permanently. To show you the complete process of using Cisdem to recover the deleted photo successfully. Now, launch Cisdem Data Recovery program. Select the internal Mac drive, where the Photos app is installed, and click Search for lost data. The scanning will start, with recoverable files showing in different types or paths on the left side. Go to Path tab. Navigate to Photos. Here you will find all the photos from your Photos app, including those deleted ones. Let's check out how many photos Cisdem helped to recover. In my Photos app, there are 6 photos in this album, but Cisdem found me 7 photos. While in this album, I just got 1 photo left in the app, but Cisdem found me 3 photos. And in my library, there are 149 photos showing up in the Photos app, while Cisdem has found me 459. Though there are some duplicates, it found me a lot of deleted photos. Now, let's switch to icon view and scroll down, and try to find the flower photo that I have deleted from Photos app. There it is. Double-click to preview the photo. Then we can select and recover to selected folder. Lastly, open Photos app. Then import the recovered photo to the app again. Yes, Cisdem Data Recovery gets the deleted photo back. Thanks for watching. If you feel interested in this program to recover your files, use the link in the description to get Cisdem Data Recovery now.